Hello and welcome to the 8th match in round 2 of the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. Today's match is between Angels Primary from St. Catherine up against Meadowbrook Preparatory from St. Andrew. I'm your host, Kadeen Foote, and the action begins right now. So after the coin toss, Angels won and decided to have Meadowbrook go first. So let's begin section 1, where teams are asked questions alternately. They'll have 10 seconds in which to answer and will gain 1 point for each correct answer. We begin with Bible knowledge. Meadowbrook. To how many churches of Asia was the book of Revelation addressed?
7.
Correct. Angels, into how many tribes was Israel divided?
12.
Correct. Science, Meadowbrook. In what direction does the convex lens curve?
Inwards.
Incorrect. It's outwards. Angels, is a convex lens thicker at the center or at the edges?
At the center.
Correct. Local affairs, Meadowbrook. It's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Anthony Chambers.
Incorrect. That's Donovan Stanbury, Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce. Angels, look at the monitor as well and identify this person.
Carol Palmer.
Correct. Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Justice. English language, Meadowbrook. Spell illicit.
Elicite.
Incorrect. illicit. Angels, spell explicit.
explicit.
Incorrect. explicit. We move on to theater. It's a visual. Meadowbrook. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Barbara
McCullough.
Correct. Angels, look at the monitor and identify this person.
John Brown.
That's actress Audrey Reed. Meadowbrook, general knowledge for you. Which car manufacturer produces the Tida model?
Nissan.
Correct. Angels, the car manufacturer produces... Which car manufacturer produces the Prius model?
Toyota.
Correct. Meadowbrook, social studies. What is the name of the world's largest reef system?
Great Barrier Reef.
Correct. Angels, in what country is the Great Barrier Reef located?
Australia.
Correct. Music, Meadowbrook. Which international artiste was born Stephanie Germanato?
Demi Lovato.
Incorrect. That's Lady Gaga. Angels, which international artiste was born Kimberly Denise Jones?
Katy Perry.
Incorrect is Little Kim. We move on to mathematics. Meadowbrook, what is the value of 8.17 multiplied by 10,000?
817,000.
Incorrect, it's 81,700. Angels, what is the value of 3.89 divided by 1,000?
0.00389. That's correct.
Correct. Sports, Meadowbrook, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Brittany Cooper.
Incorrect, that's Shemaine Campbell, West Indies women's cricketer. Angels, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Melissa Aguero.
Judges? Will not accept. Pronunciation is incorrect. Marissa Aguilera. And that's the bell. And we have Angels on 6 and Meadowbrook on 4. And we go for a break, but please listen out for the friendly tip from NCB first. Spend wisely. If you get an allowance from your parents or guardians, figure out a small percentage that you want to put in your savings. You'll be surprised how fast it grows. When we come back, it's time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off. Please stay with us.